Good morning, traders. It is Wednesday, March 29th, and the news is going to come out here in about, 5 minutes. 5 minutes, the news will come out, and I am going to take a trade off the news, and I'm going to take the exact trade that I called out in advance within my charting service. So this does actually represent code 2, but it's a little bit... It's not every day would it be a code 2. I call this a Newsday entry. And but there is also another trade that is a code 2. So there's two of them. There's a Newsday entry and there is a code 2 trade. I've called both of them out in my charting, and I'm about to take both of them, although I may not need to take both. In other words, if let's say the Newsday entry says to go long, and I go long. Well, the code 2 may also say to go long as well, so I would just stay long at that point. Or it may say to go the opposite direction. It may say go short. Or if the news says to go short, the code 2 may say to go long at some point. And so, in other words, I may go both ways, or I may take two trades, or I may just take one trade. It just depends. So anyway, I will be back to take the trade shortly. I'm just going to wait for the news to come out. 4 more minutes. Well, this is really, really nice to see here. This thing's really moving here off the news. That's a very good sign, because the market has been pretty tight lately, much, much tighter than it normally is. And even for the news, the news has been coming out, and it still doesn't even do very much. This is a very good sign. It's going to start opening up here now and start to move again. Normally off of the code 2s, I get 100 ticks. And lately I've only been able to get 30, 40 ticks because it's just so tight. But hopefully it's going to start opening up like it normally does and start to move again. I'll really be happy about that. Anyway, I'm going to take a trade very soon. The computer that's controlling the market is going to tell me which way it's going to go. It's either going to go up and continue to go up, or it's going to go down. And it will tell me, and then I will take the trade, and it should be a very, very easy winner. So anyway, I'll come back. Okay, I've taken a short position here. I'll be right back. Okay, I've got the stop set at 49.12. I've got the exit set for 40 ticks down here at 48.61. Hopefully it'll move here pretty good. We're at 48.61. It's all the way down here at the bottom, down here. But hopefully it'll move all the way down there before the next trade would come. Okay, that trade, the stop just got hit. I have taken a long position here. I have a breakout here. I have a breakout. I'm using the breakout technique on the trade, and it is definitely going to go up. The computer has just mathematically given itself away that it will go up. I am going to adjust the exit to 40 ticks. Now, if I had wanted to, I could have waited for the breakout technique, but usually the entry that I took would always work, but today this thing really wants to go up, and it's going to go up in a pretty big way, I think. So, because I'm giving away some secrets here, but usually the news doesn't go up and then continue to go up. It usually goes up and comes back down, mathematically speaking. So today it's breaking that mathematical rule, and it is continuing to move higher, which means that it will most likely move higher in a pretty big way. I don't know how high it will go, but it's probably going to move pretty good here today. Anyway, I'm in, I'm long, and just waiting. There is a possibility, though, that I will get another entry that'll say go short, so I do have to watch out for that. The one thing that I am really liking about this here is this thing is really moving. This is good. This is very, very good. Should have a good day today. And hopefully it's going to start moving like this from now on. I'll be very, very happy if that happens. It's beginning to make its move up here. Still has a long ways to go. Need to get it all the way up to 49.56. but hopefully it won't take too much longer. I'll come back. Oh, by the way, the second trade that I called out in the charting service also is a long entry. So we are good to go for it going up here. Should be able to make the 40 tick exit with no problem. I probably could get more, but I'm not going to try to push it today. Not until I see that this thing is moving enough to push it. Once it starts moving enough, I'll definitely go for more ticks. But for right now, just going to go for the 40 today. I'll come back. If you were to go back and watch the videos that I have posted up to YouTube, you would see many, many, many times where you see me lose, for instance, the first trade, and then come back and win the second trade. And you see me do that over and over and over again, or you just see me win the first trade. There's a reason for that. There's a mathematical reason for that. And now just imagine how powerful that is and what that is worth to you. It's worth a tremendous amount of money, obviously. And that's what the codes represent. To put it a different way, that's what it means. That's what it means to learn how the computer works that's controlling the market. And in irony, this same computer that's controlling the oil market is controlling all the markets. The only thing that's different about the oil market is it has a code 2 to it, and other markets do not, except for the Forex. The Forex does have code 2, but I don't teach how to use it with the Forex. But I used to use it on the Euro US dollar all the time. Works fantastic on the Euro US dollar, but I never taught how. I haven't taught how it works though. But it's fairly simple. I've never taught it before, because I figured that using it on oil was better, because there's multiple ones. There's not just one, there's multiple ones. So it's actually more profitable. But anyway, it shouldn't take too much longer for it to hit the exit here. I'll come back. It is now midnight here, 10 o'clock in the morning on the 10 o'clock in the morning in California, but to me here in Thailand it is 12 midnight or 11:59. So I am going to call it a day for trading. I'm going to go to sleep, but I'm still going to stay in the trade. The stop is set to 48.92. The exit is set up here to 49.56 for 40 ticks. I'm just going to let it go. I also have a video from yesterday, I think it was. It might have been the day before. I don't remember anymore. But I was in a similar trade as this. I think it was yesterday. And I bailed out of the trade. Just like if I was going to leave right now, I bailed out of the trade. But if I would have stayed in the trade, it would have made it. And most of the time it does that. But this time it absolutely should do it. It should hit that 40 ticks with no problem. There's a mathematical reason for that. And so I'm just going to let it go. And what's going to happen is I'll come back when I wake up in the morning, which will probably be 6 o'clock p.m. Pacific Standard Time, California time, roughly. Somewhere around there, maybe 7 p.m. or something. Depends how long I sleep for. But anyway, I am going to let this thing go. It should hit the 40 ticks, no problem, and I'll come back and show you the trade. I also have one from yesterday, I think it was. Yeah, Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday. Today's Wednesday. And I still haven't uploaded that video yet, but I will. And anyway, I will come back. Hope all of you traders are in this trade as well. All of you code traders, especially my charting members, you should be in it. And all you have to do is just have the patience to let it go up and hit the exit. It's definitely taking its sweet time doing it, but it should hit it, no problem. Anyway, I will come back and show you the outcome of this trade. I just heard the trade go off. If you're familiar with the software, it makes a sound when the trade gets to the exit. And the trade just made it to the exit. It's now 3:50 a.m. in the morning here in Thailand, and I just got up and wanted to close this recording out now and show you that I was able to tell which direction that it was going to go and made another successful trade. I hope all of you code traders out there also made the same exact trade. You should have. Both trades were successful that I called within my charting service. And I will be back tomorrow to do the charting when I get up in the morning, and I will also be back to do some more trading. I'm going to start trying to do more trading now to help all of you learn and to inspire you and to get this out to the world that I have something very special in the codes, and that I did in fact break the codes to the markets, and that I can help people learn how to do this and help them to make money. And I think that is important, and I think that's a good thing that I'm doing. So anyway, I will be back tomorrow. I hope all of you traders are doing well. I hope that you're learning, and I hope that I can continue to help you. So anyway, I'll see you tomorrow. Happy trading out there, everyone.